This is the 4K key fob mini security camera. As the name suggests, it's a miniature spy camera concealed in a normal car key fob. When you receive your package, you'll find a micro USB charging cable, a keychain, a user guide, a reset key, and the camera itself. The keychain is pretty simple. Pop off the top cap to reveal the charging port and the SD card slot. The only setup required is inserting a micro SD card. To power on the device, press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds. A faint yellow indicator light will appear, signaling that the device is powered on and in standby mode. To begin recording, press the trunk button once. A blinking red light indicates that recording has started. Press the trunk button one more time to stop recording. You can also turn off the indicator lights by tapping the unlock button, allowing for the camera to record discreetly with no visible lights. Be aware that navigating the menus can be confusing when using vibration-only feedback. To use the local Wi-Fi network for live viewing, saving your videos to your phone, or changing the settings, press and hold the trunk button for 3 seconds. The indicator light will begin flashing blue, signaling that the camera is ready to connect. On your phone, download the Video app from your device's app store. Next, open your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network beginning with the letter K, followed by random characters. The default Wi-Fi password is 12345678. Once connected, launch the app and tap Connect. You'll be taken directly into the live view. From this app, you can start and stop recordings, adjust your camera settings, view your saved videos, and download your videos directly to your phone. To download a recording, tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner. Select the desired video and use the share button to save it. Now let's take a look at some video quality demonstrations.
Here we are in a long hallway. This is a quality demonstration at 5 feet away. This is a quality demonstration at 10 feet away. This is a quality demonstration at 30 feet away at a stationary angle.
And here's a demonstration showing some text on a computer screen. And here's me walking outside. If you'd like to check out this product or similar hidden cameras, click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-292-7748 or visit us online at SpyCentre.com.